Drone show. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Bloop,
that's
bloop,
drone
bloop, bloop.
recording it.
Oh, wow.
That could be. Yeah, that one might be recording.
God, you can hear them.
Yeah.
You hear it?
Bees everywhere.
Yeah. Oh, that one over there is recording it.
Yeah.
I've never seen one of those. I heard about them, but oh, that's awesome. Oh, the wheels are turning.
I want a picture of that bike.
It's a Corvette.
I got it.
She's
it's fine.
recording.
That's wild. It's pretty sweet.
That's really cool.
The yellow looks red on the camera. Oh, what's it making now, Carl?
I don't know, something tall.
You guys are missing the show. They have to road. Come watch it over there.
Hey, what about Tony and Mike? Jenny,
What?
what about Tony and Mike?
What'd you say, Nick?
Tony and Mike. What is that? Oh! Stoplights.
That is cool. Well, thank you for telling us.
Yeah. I've never seen.
Chairs over and joined it.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. I've never seen one of these.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah. What's that going to be, Carl?
I think it's a
Stop
steering
sign?
wheel.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh, it's a tack. It's just going the wrong way.
The red line's at the idle.
Yeah.
We're on the wrong side.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Well, truthfully, yeah, it's meant for everybody on the grounds. Man, they're loud when you get that many together. Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's going to turn.
Yeah, oh, it's turning.
Oh, that's cool.
That's freaking awesome.
I'm getting like the glare from that street light.
Yeah,
You too?
a little bit, yeah. Dang, that's cool.
Yeah. Some type of car.
Be a car again? Oh,
USA.
that's cool.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, you can hear those drones humming, can't you?
Yeah.
Oh, turned around
Ah,
to us.
yeah, that's cool.
Hey, America. Dan, you got to get over here and see this. Dan's trying to fix his antenna.
Oh, yeah.
It's gotta say 250 at some point.
There we go.
Wow.
Yep. Oh, that's so cool.
That is cool. That is so cool.
Tony says, we would have missed the whole thing if you didn't come and tell us.
You're right.
Carl's gonna run and get his phone now.
Giraffe.
No.
Oh, Liberty Bell. That's
Oh,
cool.
I see the crack.
Yep.
See the quack?
Oh, I like that it's moving.
That is
Yeah.
cool. Wow. We got a rogue drone over there.
Yeah.
That one's recording it, I bet. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there's two of them.
Kamikaze drones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another car. Ah. That's cool.
That is cool.
Did you know this was happening?
No. Oh, it wasn't the thing. I read about it. Ah. Surprised there's not a big old Chevy bow tie. If there might be yet. Who knows? I mean,
It's got to be one.
they're doing the V8. It's got to be
What did you say, Rick?
a Chevy bow tie would be nice.
Eagle.
Oh, an eagle. That's cool.
You can see some of them flying up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Getting in formation for the next picture. I don't know how they choreograph this.
Yeah.
You get all those drones in sync.
Yeah, even so they don't run into one another, you know?
Yes,
It's just
exactly.
crazy. Oh, Statue of Liberty.
Oh yeah. Dan, you made it for the finale.
Huh?
You made it right for the end. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, I'm always impressed at how they can make those things sit still.
And not hit each other like we were saying.
I'm surprised they didn't do the American flag yet.
Oh, yeah.
Very few drones showing up as all of them.
Oh, there's fireworks.
Fireworks.
Red, white, and blue.
Huh, that's
James
wild.
would have loved this if he came with us.
Yeah.
There's no bugs tonight.
Oh,
There you go.
that's
Look
cool.
at the 3D on that.
Yeah.
That is really cool.
Kind of back. Hey, look at that. he just saw it now. Man, they get loud.
Why? Yeah, you can really hear them.
Yeah.
I like to see them launch them and see them all take off, you know.
Yeah.
There's the United States.
Yeah.
Backwards.
Right? Yeah.
There.
It'll flip around.
Yeah, it'll flip around.
Maybe. I don't know.
They do it for the view of
Yeah.
There it is, see?
Yep.
There's USA's penis. Yeah. Wisconsin.
Oh yeah.
I think we probably could put Iola. There it is.
There's the dot for Iola.
Oh yeah.
Boy, I predicted it.
Yeah.
That is cool.
Just perfectly aligned, like
Yeah.
just flat as a board.
That's crazy how they can do that. I just
Yeah.
Grandfather would have never believed that was possible.
Right?
No, you're right.
Skyflux. Oh, that's got to be the company that did it.
Yeah.
I wonder how much every one of those drones cost. Individually even, you know, with all those lights, and they got to have huge batteries, because that's a lot of,
That's a lot of buzz time.
yeah.
You think weather would have to malfunction once in a while
Yeah.
and move out of orientation.
Right.
But if they crash into each other, that's what that would be. There's your flag.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
Distress right now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Give me your malt change RPM at the same time.
Yeah.
Truck. That's got blue, so
Yeah. It's a brick nose.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I can see the Duraspark oozing.
Yeah, they're getting close there.
Oh yeah. That's how they started, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
That's quite a tight formation.
Yeah.
Jeez, they can find their spot.
There he goes.
That is incredible. They're all gonna land like that? Well, thanks for calling us over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I don't give anything on the
I saw that. No worries, we got Was that on the itinerary? You guys knew this was coming?
Yeah, I read about it, but I've totally forgot about it.